tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like every month is a constant battle to save even a single dollar? Here's the thing. Financial freedom doesn't start with big numbers. It starts with small, intentional steps. And today, I'm going to show you how to save $1,000 faster than you ever thought possible. But let me ask you this. What would you do if an unexpected $1,000 expense came up tomorrow? Would you be ready? Or would you feel that gut-wrenching panic of not having enough? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to save $1,000 fast, but also have a solid plan to build financial confidence for the long term. Don't just watch this, commit to it. Your future self will thank you for every step you take, starting today. And hey, just a quick reminder, saving isn't about depriving yourself. It's about investing in your dreams. So, let's jump in and get started. Oh, and quick question. Who else feels like money grows legs and runs off every time payday hits? Let's catch that cash before it escapes. Section 1. Audit your expenses. Step 1. Let's get brutally honest about where your money is going. Open up your bank app or credit card statement and categorize every dollar you've spent in the last month. Yes, even that 2 a.m. fast food run counts. Now, let's analyze. How many of those transactions brought you real joy or value? That daily $7 latte might feel like a tiny expense, but over a month, that's $210 gone. Gym memberships you forgot about? Subscriptions for platforms you don't use? Cancel those today. Here's a quick pro tip. Try dividing your expenses into needs, wants, and waste. Anything in the waste category, that's where you start cutting back. It might feel painful at first, but think about this. Every unnecessary expense you cut is another step closer to that $1,000 goal. Honestly, it's kind of fun to play detective with your finances. Who knew adulting could be this revealing, right? Section 2. Automate your savings. Now that you've identified where the leaks are, let's talk about plugging them. Step 2. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate savings account, one that you don't touch. It doesn't have to be a big number. Start with $20 a week. That's less than $3 a day, but in a year, you'll have over $1,000 saved without even thinking about it. Why does this work so well? Because it removes the temptation to spend. When the money is gone before you can touch it, saving becomes effortless. It's like putting your financial health on autopilot. And here's the exciting part. When you see that savings account grow, it's like a little reward. You start craving that progress. It's addictive in the best way possible. But what if you're thinking, I can barely afford $20 a week? Don't worry. In step 3, I'll show you how to generate extra cash from things you already own. Section 3. Sell unused items. Here's a fun one. Step 3. Turn clutter into cash. Look around your home. How many things do you own but never use? Old clothes, gadgets, furniture, even that treadmill you swore you'd use but now serves as a coat rack. Take a weekend to declutter and sell these items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or eBay. Trust me, people will pay for things you've forgotten about. Here's a pro tip. Clean your items and take good photos. Listings with clear, well-lit pictures sell faster and for higher prices. Also, use words like new, great deal, or price to sell in your descriptions. And remember, every item sold is a double win. You're decluttering your space and getting closer to that $1,000 goal. Side note, if you're someone who holds on to things thinking, what if I need this one day? Ask yourself, does it spark joy or does it just collect dust? If it's the latter, it's time to let go. Section 4. The power of mini challenges. Now let's make saving money fun. Step 4. Turn it into a game. Challenge yourself to a no-spend weekend. This means no takeout, no shopping, no splurging, just creative, zero-cost fun. Cook meals using what's already in your pantry. Take a walk in the park. Have a movie night with friends using a streaming service you already pay for. These small challenges do two things. They save you money in the short term and help you discover habits that don't cost a fortune but bring you just as much joy. Think about it. How many times have you spent money out of boredom? Instead, make saving money the exciting challenge. How much can you save in one weekend? What creative alternatives can you come up with? And hey, if you feel competitive, challenge a friend to see who can save the most. Loser buys coffee, homemade of course. 5. Build an emergency buffer. Emergencies are inevitable. The question isn't if they'll happen, but when. A sudden car repair, a surprise medical bill. These can drain your finances if you're not prepared. Once you've saved that first $1,000, let it sit in a high-yield savings account where it can grow. This isn't just about having money. It's about peace of mind. Knowing you're prepared for life's curveballs is priceless. And here's the key. Don't touch it unless it's truly an emergency. Treat it as your financial safety net, not a piggy bank for impulse purchases. Congratulations, you now have the tools to save $1,000 fast. But remember, this is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you let that money grow for you. If you want to learn how to multiply your savings and build true wealth, check out my next video on the power of compounding. It's a must-watch for anyone serious about financial freedom. Before you go, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs a little financial inspiration. Your support helps me create more content to guide you on your wealth-building journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.